Is the housing market going to crash?
I'm McKhann.
And I'm McKhann with McKhann Group Real Estate, and we're going to give you our opinion and why we think it. In January, interest rates for mortgages were at 3.2%, and now they're in the 6s now that we're in November. How has that impacted the whole housing market? Many ways.
Let's talk about demand first. So demand as a whole is down for two main reasons. Pretty much everybody knows housing prices have climbed drastically over the last year and a half. The other main reason that demand is down is because mortgage rates are up dramatically from just January. They're up over 3%. We've seen like the biggest spikes in interest rates like in history. It's just been crazy. So it's been really disheartening for home buyers, people that have been wanting to buy a home. The monthly payment is just so much more than it would have been a year and a half ago.
From the home seller's perspective, a lot of them want to stay put because they are in love with their low mortgage interest rate. Why would they want to move and give up that awesome low rate? I've got clients that wanted to downsize and tried their house on the market, but then gave up because they weren't getting the high price they wanted anymore, and that was going to cost them more to downsize to a lower cost home because interest rates had gone up so much.
So let's address the question that a lot of people think the housing market is going to crash. Well, we're not really predicting that because home sellers have so much equity. I shouldn't say sellers, homeowners have so much equity because home prices have climbed so much, and they just want to stay in their house because they have such a great interest rate, so they don't want to give that up. They've got lots of equity, so even if they needed to sell their house for some reason, they would be making money. There's practically no foreclosures going on, so people just have too much equity for the housing market to be crashing.
The current expected market time for a home across all product type in Orange County right now is 68 days. You can get all the details in the Stephen Thomas full Orange County housing report below. Also, we'd really like to know what your thoughts are. Do you think the market's going to crash, and why? Our opinion is no. It's going to steadily maybe decline a little bit, but there's no crash coming. It's too strong, and there's too many people holding onto their homes, restricting the inventory, and going to keep the prices coming down very slowly. And we'll watch and see what happens. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you catch our next one.